In this video, I will explain how easily you can link text sections in PowerPoint with an Excel cell using Empower. There are several ways to create text links with Empower. Firstly, you can right-click anywhere in the text of a slide and then initiate an Excel link by clicking on Create Excel Link in the context menu. Alternatively, you can click on Excel Links in the Empower ribbon and then on Create Excel Link. Now it is possible to define which Excel cell you want to link to, and if desired, make further settings for the Excel link. The content from the linked Excel cell will now be displayed at the specified text location in PowerPoint. Formatting the text in PowerPoint is still possible. You can also right-click on a text box and select Create Excel Link to create a text link. The linked text will then be inserted in the text box. For Power users, the option to link multiple text boxes at once is helpful. With just a few clicks, I can link these 6 text boxes with these already selected 6 Excel cells. To do this, I copy the selected Excel cells with Ctrl and C, switch to PowerPoint, select the 6 text boxes and paste the cell contents with Ctrl and V. Empower ensures that all 6 contents can be copied in one step. Furthermore, I can create 6 Excel links, one for each text box, with a click on this button. Please note that for successful insertion and linking, the number and rough arrangement of the Excel cells and PowerPoint text boxes must match. Creating an Excel link by copying and pasting data from Excel to PowerPoint also works for charts and tables. I hope this video has helped you to understand how you can create various text links with Empower. Thank you for watching and goodbye.